Hello and welcome back to Spoken Essays. I'm Harshil Vora. Yeah, something's loading. Anyway, I'm Harshil Vora and you're watching the live video where I figure out how to code. So let me share my screen with you and let me see what the loading says, the loading icons, why the loading icon has suddenly appeared. Give me a second, please, while I figure it out. Very good. Okay, the loading icon has disappeared, and now we can continue with our progress. Sorry about that. Something weird happened to the display. Anyway, so in the last live video, I finished relational database course. I now have 5 certificates with me. So let's see how far we've fared. Now, while I share my screen with you and share a bunch of more details, I'll make a few changes. Okay, so first of all, let me share my Chrome screen. Very good. The Chrome screen is open. Now you must have guessed. You can venture a guess too, but you must have guessed by now that I am going to start a new project, new course, new certification course that will help me learn backend development. So, oh, so sorry. You guys, you guys are looking at a blank screen. My bad. So yeah, that's the course I'm going to start today, and let's see what happens. Okay. Now there's a stream latency because of the video lag, but nothing to worry about. It will all be taken care of soon. Okay, so right now you can't see anything at all. Let me change that quickly. Very good. Now you guys can see a lot more. So yeah, okay, very good. Now let me also keep overlays open. I do not know whether we'll be using Code Ally or something else. I'll keep the overlays on and keep them coming so you guys can check it out. Okay, so let's see what we are going to do here today. First of all, what does this say? So until this point, you've only used JavaScript on the front end to add interactivity to a page, solve algorithm challenges, or build an SPA. Yeah, SPA, sequential. I don't remember. But JavaScript can also be used on the back end or server to build entire web applications. Today, one of the popular ways to build applications is through microservices, which are small modular applications that work together to form a larger whole. In the back-end development and API certification, you'll learn how to write back-end apps with Node.js and NPM. You'll also build web applications with Express framework and build a people finder microservice with Mongo database. Very good. And Mongoose library. Very good. So first of all, I'll look up the meaning of mongoose. I think it's an animal, a small carnivorous mammal with a long body and tail and a grizzled and banded coat, native to Africa in Asia. Very good. In English it's this, in French it's this, in German it's this, in simplified Chinese. So we have a bunch of languages. Very good. That's a new feature apparently. Nice. So it says mongoose. Yeah, so it's mongoose, so MongoDB. Very good. So first we will learn, we'll go through this course. I'll collapse this for now. Then we'll go through another 10 course, 10 challenge course, 10 lesson course, then 12 lesson course, then 12 lesson course again, and then I'll at the end I'll finish this. Apparently this seems to be a very small project. I mean relatively small than what we've done before. So let's see what it says. Okay, so npm or node package manager is a command line tool. Okay, cmd. Okay, cli. Yeah, command line interface, command line tool to install, create and share packages of JavaScript code written for Node.js. There are many open source packages available on npm. So before starting a project, take some time to explore, so you don't end up recreating the wheel for things like working with dates or fetching data from an API. Okay, in this course you'll learn the basics of using npm, including how to work with package.json and how to manage your installed dependencies. Very good. Now I won't understand half of this until I finish maybe one course. So let's go through it. Very good. So each course is a challenge, and this just got 100 times better. Very good. This got 100 times better now. Wow. Okay. Before I do that, then is there any prerequisite? No, there's no prerequisite for me to do. Okay. Let's go through this now. Let me also lower the fan speed. Perhaps this that might have been that might be a little bit challenging for you. Give me a few seconds, please. Nice. Okay. Let's get this done. Okay. Working on these challenges will involve you writing your code using one of the following methods. One of three. Clone this GitHub repository and complete the challenges locally. Okay. Use your Replit starter project to complete these challenges. That's new. Use a site builder of your choice to complete the project. Be sure to incorporate all the files from our GitHub repo. Okay, I'll keep this repo anyway. Okay, if you use Replit, follow these steps to set up the project. Do this. Okay, when you're done, make sure your working demo of your project is hosted somewhere public. Good. Okay, and yeah. Oh yeah, so I have to do 10 of these. How to use package.json, the core of any node.js project or npm package. Okay, these are the files. Okay, complete these challenges. Okay, so these are some challenges. You know what, I'll use Replit. Let's find out what Replit is. Use our Replit starter project. Yeah, import from GitHub. I'll sign up. New things. Continue with GitHub. Yeah. Email address, sources you found, ubiquitous, that is me. Authorize Replit. Yep. Very good. Import from GitHub. Is this in boilerplate npm file? Yeah, that's exactly it. So language is, I think it understood that by automatically. We are using node.js. Yeah. So node.js is something I'm going to learn. Import these projects, please. Very good. This is something new. While this is importing, give me a few seconds. I have to make a phone call. हाँ किधर है नवरा? ओके ठीक है ठीक है। हाँ मैं तो पूछ रहा था कल फ्री है क्या? बहुत टाइम से मिले नहीं है। अभी तो यार मैं वो यूट्यूब पे लाइव हूँ अभी। हाँ कल दोपहर के आसपास या 2 से 6 ऐसा कुछ। हाँ ठीक है तो अपने कुछ करेंगे ऐसे तो। मेरे को थोड़ा शॉपिंग भी करना है तो उस टाइम पे। हाँ अच्छा ऐसा है। ओह यार नो प्रॉब्लम। मेरा ऐसा तो अपने ऐसे भी मिल सकते, ऐसे कुछ शॉपिंग वॉपिंग की ज़रूरत नहीं है, घर पे बैठ के बात कर सकते, ऐसा कुछ नहीं है। हाँ तो ठीक है। तेरी तबीयत ठीक है मतलब वेरी ओके है, मतलब निकलने की कोई तकलीफ नहीं है ना? तो मैं आ जाता हूँ ऐसे तो। हाँ तो ठीक है ठीक है। हाँ हाँ मैं तेरे को फ़ोन करता हूँ ऐसे 2-3 बजे। अगर कुछ अगर मेरा फ़ोन नहीं आता तो समझ लेना कि शायद मैं सो रहा हूँ पूरा दिन। या या वो तो या बट या मैं तेरे को मैसेज कर दूंगा लेटिंग यू नो। तेरा व्हाट्सएप अभी चल रहा है कि बंद है? हाँ ठीक है। हाँ डन है। डन डन ठीक है। मैं तेरे को फ़ोन लगा दूंगा जो भी 2 बजे प्लान बनता है उसके लिए। हाँ चल एंजॉय बाय। Oh yeah, you guys heard that phone call, huh? Huh? Yeah. Okay, I left the mic on by mistake. Eh, कोई बात नहीं। Yeah, that was my friend. I hope I did not curse. Of course, I can mute the live anyway. I'll mute the live. Yeah. What time is it? Okay. It is 36 minutes. Okay, I'll note that down. I don't want my personal life to be on display, although it's a minor thing. So 36, 29, 35. Yeah, I'll mute 2 minutes of it. And I'm still live, by the way. Ouch. Ouch me. You guys should not have listened. Okay, my bad. Okay. Now there's a screen lag on my computer. Let me check something out. Check this out. What I'm saying and what I'm doing, it is kind of slow. How about now? Hello. Yep, that is so much better. And suddenly the lag has disappeared. Yep. Okay. Back to this. Sorry about that. Should have done that. Right. Okay. So what are they saying? Start by importing the project. Next you will see a .replit window. What? None of this happened. Start by importing the project. Welcome to the workspace. I think we have a few commands. .replit. Yeah. Okay. So before start by importing the project, imported. Next you will see a .replit window. Yes, I do. Select use run command and click done button. Use run command and click done button. No, that's what we are going to do. Okay. Okay, that's the code editor. This is where I edit the code. Thank you. What does this say? Yeah. The workspace is where you create projects on Replit. These are called replits, I suppose. Okay. This is where you write the code. Yep. Okay. This is where I run the things. Tap the run button to run your code and see its output. Okay. This is where your run output appears. This can be text, websites, games, and more depending on the template you're using. Very good. Okay. Very cool. Sidebar is where all your REPL's code is. Tools is where packages, debugger, chat, git, and more can be found. Where? Tools here. Okay. You can drag and drop any file or tool. All tools open as tabs instead of opening in the sidebar. Okay. Invite and collaborate with people. Cool. So this is what we are doing. Cool. I'll click on configure and press done. I'll wait for a few seconds. Just a second. Someone's calling me. Hello, I'm back. Right. So I did that. I clicked on run. Now what? Run on REPL.it. Run. Let's wait for this to run then. Part 1, I think I should deploy the app. It's a paid service, isn't it? 500 MB memory. 500 memory. What? No way, I'm going to use an M2 PC. Shut up. Nope, sorry. Log out. Bye. Yes, I'll complete these challenges locally. How? I don't know. The first step should be to install npm on my PC. I'll share my entire screen with you guys in that case. I hope this doesn't crash. It did not crash. Very good. The sound never stops apparently. Anyway, okay. You know what? I'll make this into a split screen. Do I have that? I don't know if I do. Tile window to this project and tile this way. Cool. Okay. Control arrow. Okay. What is a site builder? What is a site builder? Website builder, yeah. Apparently one.com is a website builder. Oh, it's like Shopify. Where you drag and drop items and resize them based on your preferences. I'll clone this a GitHub repo to my computer. Are there any steps for that? Oh, I don't think I'm ready for this. I think I should have started this project on Monday. Right now I'll be at a very slow pace. I will be at a very slow pace. A very slow pace. But I don't mind. So we have this GitHub repo. I suppose I have to start npm install and then run this file. Do we have a readme? Yes, readme md. It looks like this. I should not have clicked without thinking. Wait. Go back please. Yeah. readme.md. It says backend challenges boilerplate package.json. Right. A boilerplate for the freeCodeCamp curriculum. Are there any steps? I don't know. Cool. Install npm projects freeCodeCamp. How to publish yeah, is this a package? Would you call this a package? NPM is the largest software registry on the internet. There are over 1 million packages in the NPM library. How to choose a name for your whatever. How to create an NPM package. Okay, so I think I have to install node.js to my computer. In my computer, initialize a Git repository. Create a new project folder for your package and navigate into the folder. Then run the following command in your terminal. Oh god, I really have a headache. Node.js freeCodeCamp, please. How to create a chatbot with ChatGPT. Beginner's guide to Node. What is this? How to write your first Node.js. Console.log hello linear editor. Okay, it seems VS Code is required. I think I'll learn something from that relational database prerequisite. Oh, come on. If I go to learn tab, yes, these instructions will take care of my problems. Run your projects locally. Linux, Unix, command line, relational databases, SQL and PostgreSQL, Bash and Bash, scripting, Git and GitHub, Nano and other concepts and tools. Why don't you have a how-to for this then? I think it's a prerequisite perhaps. Plus this doesn't even tell me the steps. Public initial commit from gomix chore config unify configs for repo consistency. Okay, you know what, first of all let me open a terminal. Zoom in please. Yeah, much better. npm, does it exist? No, it does not exist. Install npm mac m2. Oh come on. Installing Node.js and npm, so they are exclusive. Cool. I have to write this command now. Because this computer will be my own, I can install it here, and I can copy and paste commands. npm install g npm. To download the latest version, you run this. Okay, let's wait. Okay, first of all I have to install npm itself. OS X or Linux node version managers. npm user account. Okay, creating a new user account on public registry, why not? Let's do this. Go to npm sign up page. Ubiquitous, yeah. For the password I'll have to make a few changes. I'll be back. Right. The password shall be whatever I want it to be. I will not say anything. Okay, I have written a password. Now I'll share the screen again, once again. Right, what am I doing? Yeah, I've done this. Yeah, pick one square that shows two identical objects. This one. Oh, there's 1 out of 5. Okay, Pick one square that shows two identical objects. Again, two identical objects. Come on. Two identical objects. What? Is that a hot dog? Hot dog? Done, thank you. Service unavailable. Ha ha ha. Really? Ha ha ha. To you. NPM sign up. Error, service unavailable. Yeah, I signed up. Maybe if I sign in now, it might work. Ubiquitous. If it says the account doesn't exist, I will go crazy. Very good. Apparently, login verification. So my account was created. mail.google.com. OTP is this. I mean, I should have blurred all this out. I'm sorry. Yeah, you guys had to see that. Whatever. GitHub for yeah, of course. Right, you don't have two-factor 2FA. Okay. Now this goes with security key over USB or NFC, fingerprint reader, facial recognition, or password or PIN as a security key. Authenticator app. Why not SMS, man? Okay. NPM seems to be quite secure. I'll have to stop my screen share for a few seconds there. What device is this thing trying to connect to? Sure. Is Bluetooth on? Hello. Yep, two-factor authentication is set up now. Yeah. Right, so NPM is now set. Refresh the page. Very good. Done. Strong password, one-time password over email. Two-factor authentication. Access NPM using two-factor authentication, recovering or 2FA enabled account. Right. What? Paying? Allah? Again? What? Just go on. Okay. Setting up, managing, configuring, downloading and installing. To publish and install packages to and from the public registry. Public NPM registry or a private NPM registry, you must install Node.js and the NPM command line interface as you know. Okay, you know what? I'll look here. Node. What does this say? Nothing. Okay. Brew update, by the way. Homebrew isn't here. What? I think, yeah, homebrew is what's might be causing the problem. Yes. Oh yeah. Okay, the script will install these files. Homebrew, very good, very good, very good. Press return or enter to continue, or any other key to abort. Enter. Yeah. Now this is all my personal information. Be very wary, guys. Okay. Well, this installs. I'll let this install. Cool, installation successful. Homebrew has enabled homebrew. Okay. Brew update. Bro. Homebrew update. Allah. I think because of this, then. Instructions on how to. Okay, let's write brew help. Bro, come on. You know what, I'll try closing this terminal and opening another terminal. Perhaps that might work. Very idiotic of me, but yeah. Brew. Why? Command not found on Mac with ZSH. Z. At the command line, enter the following exactly. I'll copy this line. Copy and paste. Very good. Nothing. Enter. Installation successful. It says opt homebrew is not in your path. Maybe that's what's causing the problem. This question does not meet Stack Overflow guidelines. It's not currently accepting answers. Okay, but I'm sure someone had the same issue with M1 chip. The problem is indicated in the warning. It seems the directory where the binaries of homebrew are put. To resolve, you can do either edit your ZH or bash rc with the end of the file. Export path equals. After this, source in your terminal to restart it. What? Brew for M2. M1 or M2 Mac. Okay. I have these. Command line tools perhaps. Okay. Why? Get homebrew on Mac. Write this line. I did. Is that the account command? Yes. Raw GitHub user content homebrew install head install sh. Hit the return key on your keyboard to continue. Congratulations. Set homebrew path. Extra commands are these. Run this command. I did. I ran this command. In my case, installation show me errors. I just install again and then show installation. Okay, then create ZHRC, ZSHRC. Okay, then open it to edit with text edit. It's a hidden file. You can show hidden files with shift command dot. At the end of the Add this line at the end of .zshrc, source zshrc, and then brew help. Okay, let's find out. Touch, done, wait. Then I have to open this file, right? ls please. Wait, no. Well, yes. Okay, so I'm inside the Herschel folder, which is you. So command shift dot will. Wow! Very cool. zhrc. So that's bash, but I think bash for terminal. At the end of this, I paste this and then save it and then close it. Then I go to terminal here and I write source dot. Yeah, I'll copy this much, paste, done. Okay, if I write brew help now, brew help, nice, brew is here. Let's write a brew update. Already up to date, very good. Brew upgrade, already up to date, very good. Now if I look for npm, will it work? No. Brew npm, very good. Command doesn't exist. Install npm mac with brew. This website says, yeah, install homebrew. Yeah, let's go. Node. Fine. Brew install node. Okay. Node version npm-v. अच्छा ऐसा. Brew install node. Let's let this run. Am I on Ventura, by the way? About this Mac, please. Yep, I am on Ventura. Okay. Done. Okay. Node dash v will tell me the version. Very good. Npm dash v. Very good. Cool. Thank you. So npm was created. You know what? I'll zoom in for you guys. Yep. So we have node and npm in our computer now. I already have VS Code, I suppose. Yeah, I do. Nice. Yep. Go away. Now I'll also unhide my hidden folders. Sorry, hide my hidden folders. Bye. Okay, I'll also create a repository, a folder that will, clone the repository. So I should I'll create a folder called projects, not a file, a folder called fcc projects. Now I'll open this. Go to file, find in files. Right. Oh, there's also an update apparently. I'll restart to update. Yeah, I'll also run brew update just in case. upgrade to pool. Clone git repository, clone from GitHub. Very good. Let's also provide it with a source. Buy. This is the boilerplate npm code. Voila, it went away. Print and enter. Where? In FCC projects. Select as repository destination. Would you like to open the clone repository or add it to current workspace? Open. Yes. Now, how do I start? GitHub Copilot. Yeah, I would like a GitHub Copilot. Sign into GitHub gladly. Yeah. Could not connect to the server. Extension activation failed. Show output long. क्यों भाई? Auth failed. Okay. Cool. Code as context. Try Copilot in your code. Never mind. You are in control. Mafia. Get started with Python development. No, thanks. By the way, installed apparently. We'll see. Anyway, bye, and bye. Cool. How do I begin with this now? I've cloned the repository. I'll also need a terminal, by the way. Am I inside? I'm inside the boilerplate npm, by the way. I think I should have read that command. Replit. Login, please. I already have an account. Right. Keep waiting by these angels. Yeah, please tell me. Oh, come on. Are you done? Nope. So I think I've installed. Okay, npm run start, I think. Okay, full. Npm run start. Module not found. Okay. Start node server.js. Throw error. Cannot find module express. Requires stack. Okay. I will not edit this file at all. Let's run this file again. Nope. Same error. It says module not found. I suppose I have to install that module. Let's clear this output. Cannot find module express. Let's look for what it at Google what it is. I already cloned the Git repository. Cannot find module express. Express locally into the context of your application. ठीक है, बाद में settings देखेंगे. I'll resize this, by the way, it's too huge. run start. Allow. Node J listening on port 3000. What's that mean? Of course. What does that mean? Open port in Mac. Wait, on Chrome, I think. Port 8080. What do I write? Right. My IP address would be network I'm connected via Ethernet. IP address dash 8000, right? 3000. Very good. Finally. Right, what do I do now? Bro, what did this do? Yeah, npm run start. When I did that, I ran this. I ran it, yeah. Bro, what is going on? I'm completely clueless. We have 3 viewers apparently, at me being clueless. Huh. Now we have 2 viewers. Huh. 2 and 3 both. Haha, 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 me. Funny. If I run this, the CPU will explode itself. Right. npm run start. Cool. It's listening on port 3000. Right. It does that. Yeah. And then the CPU dies. What am I doing now? Where's the challenge, my friend? What am I to do? Style.css, index.html. Am I supposed to open any of these files? If I am, right, on port 3000. Refresh this page. Yeah, it's the same. What do I click on, man? Every time I refresh this happens, right? Anyway, yeah, TK, whatever. Node modules. I've installed modules, so yeah. Public store styles.css, views stores, right? Bro, help me. Okay. Part 1 of freeCodeCamp backend challenges. Yeah. I'm not going to deploy my app at all. Shut up. Manage node.js projects in npm package. What is this? I need some suggestions. Let's read this. The package.json file is the center of any node project. It stores information about your project, similar to how the head section of an HTML document describes the content of a web page. It consists of a single JSON object where information is stored in key value pairs. There are only 2 required fields, name and version, but it's good practice to provide additional information about your project that could be useful to share for all maintainers. If you look at the file tree of your project, you will find package.json file at the top level of the tree. This is the file that you will be improving in the next couple of challenges. What am I doing again? When you are done, okay. What are the challenges, my friend? I'm going to copy and Google this. freeCodeCamp. क्या है? Backend challenges. Finally, something to learn. Okay, how to clone the freeCodeCamp Git repo. I did that already. For managing packages with npm section. GitHub CLI. I did that. GitHub git clone. Yeah, already cloned. Then what do I do? Should see there is this result in the command line for successfully cloning the folder. Yeah, it is in the, yeah, I did not install node modules in the command line. cd boilerplate -npm to change directories. I am inside the boilerplate.npm -npm. Cool. Run npm install the node modules folder. The node modules folder contains all of the dependencies needed to run your project. Okay, without this folder, now then I write npm install. Okay, so I think maybe I missed that project. I said npm run start instead of install. I'll cancel this. Control C. npm install. npm fund up to date. Okay, once installed you should see the result. Found 0 vulnerabilities. Yes. Okay, a bunch of things happened. Okay, how to submit the localhost link to complete the first challenge, which is to add an author to your json.package.json file. Go to your code editor of choice and open. Okay, so I'm not supposed to run this, by the way, right now. Sheesh. Okay, I suppose it won't. Yeah, it will say refused to connect. I'll keep that tab open right now. Yeah, right. How to submit the local. तो ऐसा बोलो ना. News. Okay, then complete the first challenge, which is an add. Where does it say that, my friend? Oh, this is the challenge. Oh my god. Add your name as the author of the project in the package.json file. That's it. That's it. Name. Am I supposed to edit this out? Let's check here. Name, author, the complete. To add an author to your package.json file. My god. Name, comma, author. No, it's not a function. It's an object. Author. Save. Right. How do I upload? Right. If I write npm start now. What does this mean? Do I pass this? You should see the result in the command line. Okay. Oh yeah, I could also use localhost 3. Abe. Right. Oh, because this is actually localhost. So yeah, they're the same thing. You should see this result in the browser. This is a local server that you will use for all of the backend challenges. While the server is still running, go to the first challenge and submit the local host link. Acha aisa? Bro, could have done so much. Yeah. हल्ला बोल इतना सब करने के लिए बाप रे गो अवे thank you once you have completed the challenges you can stop the server by control C in the command line cool the next part of a good package.json file is the description field oh my god I need a break definitely need a break I get what this is get what is happening but I definitely need a break I'll be right back